Hello friends, I am Joshi sir from Joshi sir Group Tuition Class Malihatina. Student of Standard 8, I think and I hope all of you are very safe at your home. And I also know you cannot come here in a class due to coronavirus. So we will start video lecture. I am here and you all are at your home safe. Okay, so today we will start chapter number 1 mathematics and exercise number 1.1. Chapter number 1 is rational number. Now what will we do? All exercise we will not complete one by one, but we will follow the method wise sums, so you can understand every method, and after that you can do all the sum, this type of sum at your home also. Okay, now question number 1, exercise 1.1, question number 2, write the additive inverse. What we will have to do for the additive inverse? एडिटिव इनवर्स मीन्स जो साइन हमें प्लस दिया है उनको चेंज माइनस करना है. प्लस साइन चेंज इनटू माइनस एंड माइनस साइन चेंज इनटू प्लस. नंबर विल बी सेम. वी विल राइट नंबर विल बी सेम. फर्स्ट आई गिव यू सम एग्जांपल, देन वी विल स्टार्ट दिस एक्सरसाइज. सपोज एक्स्ट्रा एग्जांपल इज number is 2/9. See here, given number is positive, so answer will be negative. So we will put first minus sign, then answer is 2/9. So you understand, if given question is 2/9 and we change it into additive inverse, then answer is minus 2/9. That means we change only sign, number will be same. Second example, suppose minus 5/6. See here, first sign is minus, so what will we have to do? Sign will be changed first, so minus sign change into plus and answer is 5/6. But plus sign is not necessary here, you can write directly minus 5/6, then answer is 5/6. Now you understand this example. Okay, then we will start question. Question is number given here. We will to change it additive inverse. Now you keep in your mind for these rules. If we have to change given number all this into additive inverse, we have to change only sign. If given sign is plus, then it is changed into minus. And if given number is minus, then we will change into plus. Okay, now first question, 2/8. Question first, 2/8. What is the answer? 2/8 is plus number, so first we put the sign minus, then number will be same, 2/8, so answer is also 2/8. Now say 2/8 is given question. What is the answer of this additive inverse? The additive inverse of 2/8 is minus 2/8. Now you understand? Okay. Now see the second question. This is the answer. Here is two columns. This column is for question and this column is for answer. Now see question number 2. Minus 5/9 is question. Now answer is, first we will change the sign. Minus sign is given, so it is plus sign. Now write 5/9. 5/9. 5/9 is the answer. So what will we have to say? Additive inverse of 5/9 is 5/9. Only sign will be changed, number will be same. Now third question, minus 6/-5. See here, both number are minus. That means both number are minus, minus minus plus. That means minus 6/-5 matlab 6/5. Now we will change this number into additive inverse. So given number is here plus, so answer will be minus 6/5. 5. This is the last and final answer for this question. Okay? Understand? Repeat it again. Minus minus. Minus 6 upon minus 5. Minus minus plus. So that means the question is like this. 6 upon 5. Now we have to change this number into additive inverse. So here is plus sign, then it is changed into minus, and number will be same, 6 upon 5. Okay? Now next question number 4, 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9. See here, what is the sign? Plus. Then we will change into minus. So answer will be minus and number will be same, 2 upon 9. Now this is the final answer, minus 2 upon 9. Now same, additive inverse of 2 upon 9, that means additive inverse of 2 upon 9 is minus 2 upon 9. Now fifth question, 19 upon minus 6. See here, given number, this number is negative, minus. So we will write here plus. So answer is 19 upon 6. Okay? If given number is minus, then we will write here plus. And if given number is plus, then we will write here minus. And the number will be same. Okay? Now see again. If you have any problem, tell me. Okay. Now question number 2 is finished. Keep in your mind, again I say, for the additive inverse, we have to change only sign, nothing else. See here again. Question is 2 upon 8. Then answer is minus 2 upon 8. Question is minus 5 upon 9. Then answer is remove minus. It will be changed into plus. So minus 5 upon 9 means answer is 5 upon 9. Third one, minus 6 upon minus 5 equal to minus minus plus. We simplify this here. Minus 6 minus 5 means 6 upon 5. Minus minus both are plus. Now we have to change this number. 6 upon 5 is plus, so it is changed into minus. So 6 upon 5 means minus 6 upon 5. This is the final and last answer. Now fourth one, 2 upon 9. Given number is plus, so we will write again minus. So minus 2 upon 9. And 19 upon minus 6, minus number is given. Minus is also here or also here, both are same. Or here in the side. All are same. So minus number will be changed into plus number. So 19 upon 6, answer is 19 upon 6. Here number is minus, so we will put here plus. Okay, now understand? Thank you. Now we will start question number 4. Very easy, like this. What will we have to do here? Here we change additive inverse. And in this sum, find the multiplicative inverse. Here is multiplicative inverस. मतलब पहला आप उनका मतलब समझो. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो क्वेश्चन दिया है उनका साइन चेंज नहीं करने का. हमने यहाँ पर साइन चेंज किया, यहाँ पर साइन चेंज नहीं होगा, मगर जो नंबर है, जो क्वेश्चन है, उनको उल्टा बनाने का, मतलब रेसिप्रोकल बनाने का. I give some example first, then we will start this exercise. See here, number is 3 upon 5. These all are extra example. 3 upon 5. What is the multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 5? So we will write 5 is down. So we will write it here 5. And 3 is up. We will write it here in the down 3. So now you can understand multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 5 equal to 5 upon 3. I give second example also, minus 2 upon 7. Now what is the multiplicative inverse of this number? Minus 2 upon 7. We have to change only this number. Sign will be not changed. So first we put this sign minus and we will write 2 is upside, we will write it downside. Here 7 is upside. So answer is minus 7 upon 2. Are you understand all this? Okay. Now we will start this exercise. First given is minus 13. Question is minus 13. See, extra example I will give first. If given number is only 1, see here, given number is 5 minus. Now, what is the multiplicative inverse of minus 5? See, here downside is not any number. So you can put, you know very well. You can put here 1. And now, you write its multiplicative inverse. So we will put here first sign minus. And now, 5 is up. Then we will write it down. And 1 is down. We will write it up. Now you understand? You know no, yogasana, Baba Ramdev. Like this, we have to do Sirsasana. You know Sirsasana? See here, my head is up. Now you can see my head is up and my leg is down. But when we will do multiplicative inverse to me, then what will we have to do? What you do in yogasana, Sirsasana? Your legs are up and head is down. Understand? Okay, now we will start this all sums. First question, find multiplicative inverse for the following number. First one is minus 30. Now you see, downside is not any number, so you can put 1. Okay? Now you change this number, multiplicative inverse. So what we will write? First minus sign is given, you put minus and the answer is 13 and 1 is here. So answer is minus 1 upon 30. Now you understand? See it again. Then we start next question. Okay. Now second question, minus 13 upon 19. Now what is the answer? First thing, sign will be same. Minus, then minus. Now what we will have to do? Sirsasana. Yes. Upside number will be down, downside number will be up. So what is the final answer? Minus 13 upon 9. Then answer is minus 19 upon 30. That means we are finding here multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of minus 13 upon 19 is or equal to minus 19 upon 30. Okay? Now next question 3. 1 upon 5. Question is given 1 upon 5. See here, sign is plus. So we have to change only number. 1 is upside, so we write here 1 downside, and 5 is up downside, we are write here upside 5. That means answer is 1 upon 5 equal to 5 upon 1. And keep in your mind, okay? Or you can also write this answer 5 upon 1 or directly 5. जैसे हमने यहाँ पर नंबर में कुछ नहीं था तो 1 लगाया है, माइनस 30 अपॉन 1, तो आंसर हुआ माइनस 1 अपॉन 30। इसी तरह से अगर यहाँ 1 है तो आप 1 लिख सकते हैं, नहीं लिखना है तो भी चलता है। 1 अपॉन 5 इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 1, और ये नहीं लिखना है तो डायरेक्टली लिख दो 5, 1 upon 5 equal to 5, both are right. You can write anything. Okay? Now next question, see. This question you keep in your mind. This is extraordinary for the student. Given question is minus 5 upon 8. See here, minus 5 upon 8 multiplied by minus 3 upon 7. Now we have to find multiplicative inverse. See here, here are two numbers. So first what we will have to do, first we simplify both the number. See here, minus 5 upon 8 multiplied by minus 3 upon 7. Now we simplify this number. अपसाइड जो दोनों नंबर है अपसाइड उनका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव ऊपर, और डाउन साइड जो दोनों नंबर है उनका डाउन साइड. So minus 5 into minus 3, minus minus plus 5 3 ja 15. First we write here 15 and downside 7 and 8. So 7 8 ja 56. This is the simplification of this question. Now we will change this number into multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse you know very well. Now 15 is up, so we will write 15 is down, and 56 is down, we will write here 56 up. Okay, this is the final answer of this question. Here is simplified. If you don't know directly this answer, then you can simplify it first, then you change it in the final answer. Okay, understand? Again like this. This question is also very difficult for the student. See, question is minus 1 multiplied minus 2 upon 5. First we simplify this number. See, what we will have to do, first we simplify. So, multiply of minus 1 and minus 2. We will put upside. 2 1 ja 2 and both are minus, so it is plus, and upside, now downside. Here is 5 and here is nothing number, so you can put directly 5. This is the simplification of this question. Now you change into multiplicative inverse this one. So 2 upon 5 equal to what we will have to do. Now you can say, remember what we will have to do. Sign will be same, only change into Sirsasana, like Sirsasana. Head is, now see, head is upside, leg is downside. Now we change into multiplicative inverse. So leg is upside and 2 means head is downside. This is the final answer. See here again, minus 1 into minus 2 upon 5. First we simplify this number. So 2 minus and 1 minus, multiplication 2 1 ja 2 and minus minus plus, and same 5. Now we will change this number for the final answer. 2 upon 5, then 5 upon 2. Now you can say what we have to write. Minus 1 into minus 2 upon 5 means 5 upon 2. This is the multiplicative inverse of this question. Now see here, given number, last number is minus 1. Now downside is nothing number, so you can write what? See here, minus 30, then we will write here, you can write 1. So here also you can write 1. Now you change this number into multiplicative inverse. So minus 1 upon 1 means ये माइनस तो यहीं पर रहेगा, साइन तो चेंज करने का नहीं है, तो करना क्या पड़ेगा, ये जो ऊपर 1 है वो नीचे जाएगा, इधर ऊपर 1 है वो नीचे जाएगा, नीचे 1 है वो ऊपर आएगा. दैट मीन्स आंसर इज minus 1 upon 1, or you can also write this way. 1 upon 1 means you cut 1 1 ja 1, so minus 1. This is also right and this is also right. Okay, understand? See all this question one more time. If you have any problem, you can tell me. See one time. Keep these both rules in your mind. For the additive inverse, we have to change only sign. We have to change only sign. Number will be same. And for the multiplicative inverse, sign will be changed. Sign not change. But the given number is changed into reciprocal. जो upside number है वो downside आएगा, जो downside number है वो upside आएगा. See, I repeat it again. See, minus 13 upon 1. So answer is minus 30 upon 1, 1 upon 30. You also say with me. Now you can understand what I know very well. Now second one, minus 13 upon 90. Then first you put the sign minus. Now 13 upon 90. The answer is 19 upon, yes, 30. Now third one, 1 upon 5. Then you change 5 upon 1. 5 upon means No, 1 is not necessary downside. So you can also write 5. Now 5 minus 5 upon 8 multiply minus 3 upon 7. If given two number are here all are one number, but here two given number. So first what we will have to do, you know very well, simplify. So 5 3 ja 15 minus minus plus 7 8 ja 56. Now we change this number into multiplicative inverse. First we have to do simplify. Now 15 upon 56. So answer is 56 upon 15. Now saying this way, minus 1 into minus 2 upon 5. So 2 1 ja 2 and minus minus plus and 5 same. Now change this number into multiplicative inverse. So 2 upon 5 means 5 upon 2. And last one see again, minus 1. हाँ और एक बात समझो, यहाँ अपॉन में कुछ नहीं है, अपॉन में कुछ नंबर नहीं, जैसे यहाँ पर था। एक रूल्स याद रखो, जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका कौन होता है? इन जनरली व्हाट वी विल से इन हिंदी जिस और गुजराती, जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका खुदा होता है। ये खुदा मैथ्स में मतलब 1, अपॉन में कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1 छोड़ सकते हैं, यहाँ पर अपॉन में कुछ नहीं है 1 रख सकते हैं। सो -1 upon 1. Now change, minus sign will be same and 1 upon 1. So 1 upon 1. Or you can write also 1. But sign is necessary. Never change the sign in this question. In multiplicative inverse, don't change the sign. Only change the number up and down side. And additive inverse, you have to change only sign. Given number is minus, then you have to write plus. If given number is minus, so then you have to write plus, and number will be same. Okay, student, I hope all of you are understand very well. If you have any problem, you can call me or send me message. I will explain it again. And I hope if you study this lecture 2 or 3 times, then you write all the question and all the answer in your notebook very well. I hope if you understand, then I will give you some more other extra question like this both method. Okay, see you, goodbye, stay at home and safe, goodbye.